Hi and welcome to the Boss Money Show. In this lesson, you're going to learn the power of vision. Listen, my mentor said, vision guides your decision. And it changed my life, literally. It changed my life. How? So, what is vision? Vision is, sight, see, right? What do you see? What do you see? When you think about your life 10 years from now, what do you see? Who do you see? Who do you see yourself becoming? When you think about your family, when you think about your children, when you think about your business, what do you see? It's as simple as that. And so vision is what you're seeing yourself becoming, right? There is a becoming in that vision. It's not just seeing things and you're not able to see yourself participating in the people, places, things that you envision 10, 20 years from now, right? And you find that some people struggle to see because they keep identifying with their past. So you have the timeline, you have your future, you have your present, and you have your past, right? So here you are over here looking pretty, yes? For you to see where you're going, yes, understanding your past and getting the lessons from your past is very important so that you don't make the same mistakes. You get lessons and then you're able to review your steps, review your actions, take different actions, make better decisions. But you see, if you've been hurt in the past and you're carrying a lot of pain, a lot of trauma, you find that you remain in the past, stuck here. So time is moving, time is ticking, right? 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, and you're physically aging. But your mind is still stuck in the past. And so you are reacting to people, places, things from the person that was hurt and let down in the past. And so that affects how you see. You might think that because you, in the past, you tried that business and you failed, you tried that investment and you lost a lot of money, or you got into that partnership and you got betrayed, and so now you're finding it difficult to see a future for yourself because you're still stuck in the past. Once you find healing, right, and you become whole, you can then see your future clearly because the blocks would have been shattered. Hence why you must take out the time and value the importance of healing and moving from a whole inner space so that your engagements, your relationships, and how you share your message will be coming from an authentic space and you're able to see clearly the future that you desire. Okay? So vision guides your decision. The moment you're able to sort out your pain, your past trauma, it becomes very easy for you to craft a vision for yourself. So when he said that vision guides your decision, I realized this was, about 6 years ago. I realized that I had to make some changes with the way I was conducting my life. You see, every summer, every holiday, I'll go to Lagos. And when I'm in Lagos, best believe your girl be partying every single day. I have my calendar. I call up my friends. I'm like, yo, I'm going to be in Lagos. Pick your day because I'm going to be booked. That was me every time. But I realized I can't afford to live that kind of lifestyle. I have to delay gratification because of where I'm going. So where I'm going started dictating my present. And I started taking action that will benefit my vision. I see my business as a CEOVIP as a massive learning hub for startups, for coaches, for mentors, where you're getting holistic knowledge, not just the tech, not just the business strategies, but the spirit lessons, understanding who we are as spirit, understanding the laws guiding the universe, the laws guiding the spirit, and then moving and living from a whole space, right? That is the knowledge hub, and it's a huge assignment. So because of the weight of my vision and how huge and exciting it is, I must make sure that any decision I'm making now, with my relationships, with how I spend money, with how I relate to people, how I share my content, it must be in alignment with that vision, right? And so another decision that I was able to make was, friendships, right? I realized then that the friends that I had didn't have the same intensity as I did. And so if I continue to relate with them, they will start to infect me with their mediocrity, right? Which is no fault of theirs. They were in the space that they were, and that's okay. Everybody has their own journey to get on. They have their own timeline, and that's fine. So I realized that I couldn't remain in that space because my vision required me to be in the space of people who are better than me, or who are on the same path, with the same mindset as me, so that iron sharpen iron, we can grow together, learn together. I can learn something new, I can teach something new, and we can relate to exchange value, and that's how growth happens. And that has tremendously affected my life, tremendously affected my relationships. Now I belong to the coaching community in Nigeria, and it's such a powerful space. Every day is a learning opportunity to learn something new, to collaborate, to create magic, to just do amazing things, and to continue to be more authentic to who I am. So you can see that every day we're making decisions. Every day you wake up, you decide you want to be happy, or you decide you want to be miserable. Every day you wake up, you decide you want to go to that job, you decide you want to make that call. Every day you decide you want to wear that dress, you want to make that hair. Every day you decide that you want to go out, you want to engage with XYZ people. Every day we are making decisions. What is the primary driver of that decision? It's your vision. Vision guides decisions. And now that you understand that vision is simply what you see, and healing from your past trauma will help you remove blocks in order to see clearly, to imagine, to create in your mind's eye. And then from the charge, the electricity and the excitement of what you see, it powers and animates your body and causes you to move powerfully towards the actions you need to take based on the decisions that you've made. You see, so I'm sure this was a very powerful lesson. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.